Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set a video as your ringtone on your Android phone. This feature is pretty cool, but it can be a bit tricky to find the right way to do it. Do not worry, I've got you covered. Setting a video as a ringtone lets you add some personal flair to your phone, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, download an app from the Play Store like Video to MP3 Converter or Video Ringtone Maker. These apps let you turn your video into an audio file that can be used as a ringtone. Once you have the app installed, open it and choose the video you want to use. Convert the video to an audio file. Then go to your phone's settings. Tap on sound or sounds and vibration, and then ringtone. Now tap on add ringtone and choose the audio file you want to use as your ringtone. And that is it. Your video is now set as your ringtone. Please subscribe to our channel for more tips. If you're still facing issues, drop a comment below and I will help you out. Thanks for watching.